Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a 3-minute video on TikTok. As you all know, TikTok allows you to record or upload 3-minute videos on TikTok. This is great for people who like to tell a story or give a tutorial on how to do things. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to record a TikTok video. Next, select the duration of your TikTok video. You can find this just above the record button. Select 3 minutes. Now the next step is totally up to you. You can upload a 3-minute video which you have recorded using your iPhone camera, or you can use a TikTok camera to record a 3-minute video. If you're uploading a 3-minute video, tap on the upload button and then select a video. This video should be at least about 3 minutes long. If it is longer than 3 minutes, don't worry, you can crop the beginning or the end of this video. The second option of recording a 3-minute video is using the TikTok's camera feature. Using the TikTok camera feature allows you one advantage where you can add and remove effects as per your choice. Hold the record button, then record your scene, and once you're done, stop recording. Repeat these steps until you reach the 3-minute mark or press a tick once you've completed. This will then take you to TikTok's editing screen where you can now add your text, stickers, sound, caption, and effects. After this step, you can then post it on TikTok. And that is how to post a 3-minute video on TikTok. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.